Hi all. Today we are going to do some sessions for senior citizens and people who are recovering from some illness. These set of asanas are called Sukshma Vyayam or gentle exercises. They help to loosen and strengthen the joints and help you to get a flexible body. You have to take precaution. If you have any discomfort or pain while doing these asanas, then kindly stop the practice. These asanas are to be done preferably in the morning, but can also be performed during the evening. But you have to maintain a gap of 3 hours after a meal and 1 hour before a meal while doing these asanas. We have categorized these asanas into upper body, lower body, arms and shoulders, and some standing asanas. Now, today's session is for the lower body. For that, and these set of asanas we are performing by sitting on a chair so that people who cannot sit on the floor can easily do these asanas. Preferably take a chair which does not have an armrest so that there is more space for you to do the asanas properly. Let's begin. So slowly raise your legs in the front and then contract your toes and relax. Contract and relax. Now each of these asanas you can repeat 3 to 5 times, and you can also incorporate breath in them. So contract and relax. Contraction is exhalation and relaxation is inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Another asana is that you have to contract on the floor and trying to pick up a paper or a cloth from the ground and lifting it. Pick up and lift. Pick up and lift. This particular asana you can perform for up to 30 seconds or 1 minute. This is very helpful for strengthening your feet, your ankle, and your knee muscles. Next, straighten your leg in the front and contract your knee muscles. So contract this part, contract, count up to 5 or 10 and relax. Now this particular asana you can perform for up to 10 times. This is very helpful for people having knee pain because it helps to strengthen the muscles around the knee. If you have severe knee problems, then consult a doctor before doing these practices. Contract and relax. Contract and relax. Now, the next asana we'll be performing is knee rotation. It can be done in two ways. So the first way is that you just gently raise the leg a little bit off the ground and rotate your leg in this manner. Make circles, how much ever big circle you can do. Do not overstretch. It can be even small circles like this or a little bigger. And knee rotations are never exactly a circle, they're mostly oval. So do it in this manner. Then opposite direction, you can also incorporate breath in it. So inhale half, exhale half, inhale half, exhale half, inhale half, and exhale half. Now we will do the other way with the other leg. So you raise your leg up in the air, give support to the leg, come a little front on the chair, raise your leg up, give it support with your hands. So tug your hands behind, underneath your thigh, give it support, and then rotate your leg. Inhale half, exhale half, inhale half, exhale half. If you have any kind of discomfort or pain while doing this asana, please stop this asana. Inhale half, exhale half. Now, opposite direction. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half and exhale half. Slowly bring your leg down to the floor. Now we will be doing hip rotation. So raise your one leg up in the air. Hold the knee with your hand and the feet with the other hand. And then rotate your hip. Inhale and exhale. Maintain slow and steady movements. Back is straight. Inhale and exhale. Make small circles or big ones, whatever is comfortable to you. If there's any pain, kindly stop the asana. Inhale half, exhale half. Opposite direction. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Now slowly bring your leg down to the floor and we'll repeat with the other leg. So we're raising the left leg up. Hold the left knee with your left arm and the left feet with your right hand and rotate your arm. If you have knee problem, then kindly be careful with this particular asana. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Opposite direction. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half and exhale half. Slowly bring your leg down to the floor. Now we'll do ankle rotation. So raise your leg, one leg up and place it so that the ankle is just, the part above the ankle is resting on the thigh. Hold your right feet with your left arm and rotate your ankle. Slow and steady movements. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Opposite direction. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half and exhale half. Repeat with the other side. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Opposite. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale half, exhale half. Inhale and exhale. The next asana we will be performing is Ardha Titli asana. So raise your leg and bring it and rest it on the other thigh. Now hold the feet with your left hand and the knee with your right hand. Inhale and raise your knee up, trying to bring it closer to your body, pushing the thigh against your abdomen. Inhale and exhaling, bring it down, touching the chair. Go only as far as possible. If it's just this much, that's okay. While going up, if it doesn't go much, that's also fine. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Do not try to push yourself. Let it be gentle and slow and steady movements. So inhale and exhale. Now we'll repeat with the other side. So raise your leg and rest it on the thigh. From here, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. This helps to strengthen your knee, your leg, your pelvic region, and slowly bring your leg down to the floor. Now, raise your one leg up and rest the part just above your ankle on your thigh. Let the hands be by the side or just hanging to the side. Now slowly inhale and exhaling, bend forward. Go slowly forward because there is a stretch on the thigh and the knee region. So go very slowly downward and go only up to the point where it is comfortable. Even if you can just go till this much, it's absolutely fine. Go down as much as you can. Inhale and come up. One more time. Exhaling, bend forward. Go as far as possible. Feel the stretch in your thighs and your knee. Inhale, come up. Those with knee problem, please be very careful while performing this asana. People who are having problems with sciatic nerve, please be careful while performing this asana. Rest the other, raise your other leg and rest it on the knee. Now inhale and slowly exhaling, bend forward. Go down only as far as possible. Feel the stretch, focus on your knee and your leg region, and inhale and come up. One more time. Inhale and exhaling, bend forward slowly. And inhaling, come up. And slowly rest the floor on the leg. Now this was the lower body part. Thank you so much and keep watching for other Sukshma Vyayam sessions. Hari Om.